Hey foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making lamb korma, a classic Mughlai dish known for its perfection with a blend of onions, yogurt, nuts and spices. Please do like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Let's gather our ingredients for this aromatic journey. 1 kg of lamb pieces, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 big sized onions, 3 big sized tomatoes, coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of curd, 10 to 15 cashew nuts, soaked for 1 hour. Start by blending the soaked cashew nuts and curd into a smooth paste. Set it aside. In a bowl, marinate the lamb pieces with salt, turmeric, ginger garlic paste and 250 ml of water. Pressure cook for 1 to 2 whistles until 50% cooked. Now let's bring the magic to the kadai. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil, add onions and 2 green chilies. Sauté until golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste, sauté. Add turmeric, chili powder, salt and coriander powder. Stir well. Introduce the 50% boiled lamb pieces, reserving the stock for later. Give it a mix and cover the lid. Cook on low flame for 15 minutes, letting the spices infuse. Stir occasionally. Add the cashews and curd paste. Mix for 1 minute. Time to introduce the tomato puree. Cover and let it simmer for 10 minutes, stirring in between. Adjust the spices, pour in lamb stock and mix. Ensure the lamb is perfectly cooked. Finally add garam masala and coriander leaves. Your lamb korma is ready to be served. Stay tuned for more mouth-watering recipes on our channel. Happy cooking!